Okay, let's start. In this video I solve this mission. I already solved this mission. Okay, let's move into wait. I close this. I start from ground up. Okay, parrot desktop. Okay, I first I run this nmap command. I scan this IP aggressively. Then I found this. Wait, these three ports are open: 21 FTP, 22 SSH, 80 HTTP. Then I open that website. Where is that? Then I go to this actual website. Then I go to the Snapchat tab, not a tab, Snapchat page. I click this, then it moves me to this page. I notice something interesting here. It is IDOR vulnerability. IDOR stands for Insecure Direct Object Reference. If I change this, it will show something different. Then I click this. I download 0.pcap. Pcap file is used in Wireshark. But wait, I want to know the meaning. Okay, my network is slow. Pcap stand for packet capture. Okay, then I open that file inside my Wireshark. I get some interesting information. I get the username and password. Username is Nathan. Password is this. Bucket hat form. Something like that. I don't know how to read this. Okay. I used this credential to log in FTP, and also I log in to that, and also I log in via SSH, because I know there are two ports are open, FTP and SSH. Now I get the credential from that file. Then I open, wait, I log in to that machine via SSH. Then I get the user flag. Then I run this command. Wait, if I run this command, it will show a lot of errors also. Wait for a while. It takes some time. Then I use this command. Wait, I clear the terminal. This command hide the errors. I found this is interesting because it have capability. It is Linux capability I recently learned about this while solving this box. Then I found some interesting tools also. Okay, first explain this command. It get capability from root file. It get recursively, therefore I use -r. If any errors comes, it redirect to this file. Okay, wait. I run this code because now I can set UID. I can change UID because I found, wait, okay, this is enabled. We have capability to set UID. So wait, I run this command. If I run that Python code, I will get a root shell. Python 3. You can see the difference. Now I'm root. Before running that command or Python code, I'm a Nathan. Now I'm root user. Who am I? cd root. Wait. Oh, I'm still in the Nathan directory. Wait. Okay. Now I can move to root directory. This is the root flag. Okay, I'm not playing this box for finding the flag. I play this for understanding the things. I don't know everything about what I did. Sometimes I pretend I know, but at some deep level I did not understand everything. I think that is good. I don't like to pretend I know everything about this system. Okay, let's be honest. I run some commands, then I get some errors, then I Google that error, then I found actual command, I mean right command, then I try this, then I get a proper result. But I did not understand what I did. Then I go back to research what I did, because it has some problem. That method has some problem because I did something, but I don't know how, not how, why that happened. I know if I run that command it will happen. I know the procedural knowledge, but I don't have some deep explanatory depth. Therefore I try to understand what happened under the hood. Then I go back to lot of blogs and read about that, but I did not understand at first read. But then I research something about, not something related to that blog, I research something related to that blog, because I'm not a Linux expert, but I use Linux. I try some things. I also learning. I'm not teaching anything in this whole videos, or sometimes sound like I'm teaching, but I'm not teaching anything. I just learn by reading and doing. In my future videos I also try to be more honest about how I learn and what I understand, because my goal is not try to pretend smart, but I try to understand what I do. Sorry for the background noise. Okay, then I found something very interesting, because I get some commands from Google. Okay, let's see the history. Wait, I already run some commands in here. This is command called setcap. We can remove that capability using setcap -r. Okay, let's pass that command. Then wait, where is that? Okay, let's open a new tab. Then try to log in via SSH. Then I type this command. Wait for a while. It is SSH. Where is that? Paste that password, then press enter. Okay, clear the terminal. Now check again. Wait. Okay, where is that? I think I lost something. Okay, let's copy this. Then where is that? Everything is look transparent. I feel a lot of confusion while looking at my screen. Okay, user.parrot. I think this is something different from our actual agenda. Okay, go to Northern. Get cap, copy that file name. Nothing happened because I removed that capability. So now it does not work. Okay, Python 3. Sorry, test.py. You can see the error. We get a permission error because I remove the permission. So let's add the permission again. Wait, I forgot the syntax. So where is that? Now I add the capability now, then run the same code again. Now I get the root user. Okay, these are the commands I try. And okay, first of all I explain again what I did. First I scan this IP using Nmap, then I get the output, some useful information. There are 3 ports are open in that IP, 21, 22 and 80. Usually 80 is run HTTP for web. Then I go to that website, I scan this website. Scan in the means I wander this website and I found something interesting in here. I change the number here 220. I try some lot of things, lot of numbers, random numbers. Finally I found the FTP credential in data/0 directory, because in this directory I download the captured packets. Then I open that captured packets in Wireshark. Then I found the useful credentials. Then I log in. Then I use this credential to log in via FTP and SSH. Then I access the user Nathan. Then I scan the user permissions using the command. Wait. I use getcap for I scan the entire files. I get the capability of the entire file. Then I found this data. Not only this, wait, let's copy that command. Then paste it. I get some lot of information. Then I found some interesting informations. Then I Google about this and I found lot of data. Then I ChatGPT about this. I get some useful informations. Then I use this command. Then I get access to root, but after trying again I don't use this command. Instead I create a Python file. I do the same things but in Python file. I run via Python 3, not direct command, not use this command. Then I get the root permission. I escalate my privilege. Then I can access the root folder. Then I read the root flag. Then I share my root flag here. Okay, peace.